Okay, guys, y'all know what time it is. Grab your coffee, tea, whatever it is that you're choosing to drink, and get your snack. Sit back, relax. I'll do all the work. I just need your undivided attention. All right, guys, stick around for what I have for you on this amazing day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Face, and yes, I am up here on this ladder because I am going to share with you how I have revived my garland, and I have it here in my kitchen on top of the cabinets here. I'm going to share with you how I've revived it, and this is some old garland that I had from where I purchased it from Sam's Club when they used to have that beautiful garland years ago. I have picked it apart over the years, using some of the things that was on it in different ways, but I've gone back, added some of my own touch to it. And also, I'm going to give you my honest opinion and share with you how I am going to use this 3-in-1 mini vac by Saker. I think it's pronounced Saker, Seeker, Secure, not quite sure. I've heard it pronounced many different ways, so I'm going to go with Saker. And if I'm wrong, please forgive me. But I will be outside using my, reviving my garland because it creates such a mess. You know, when you have garland and wreaths and things, and over a period of time they start to shed, even your artificial trees start to shed over a period of time. So I will be out on my deck and I will revive my garland, and I will use this mini vac to share with you what power it has. The suction is amazing. It gives a nice little breeze from the back of the fan. So I will tell you more about it a little bit later on in the video. So let me say, if you're new here, I welcome you. And for those of you that continue to show me love and support, another big hug. Happy holidays, guys. The DIYs are on and popping. The decoration of the house is going great. I shared with you guys my amazing tree, and if you haven't seen that video, I will love you to go and check that out. And that was just tree number 1. Yes, I have several other trees that I'm decorating, some other things I'm doing around the house, so you don't want to miss out. So make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you're always notified of any and all up and coming videos that are created on this channel. And for Saker, I thank you for allowing me to share your product with my viewers. All right, guys, let me turn you over so you can see me on the outside recreating this and sharing with you what this does. All right, guys, be blessed. Take care until the next video. I'm your host, your Style with Gigi Face. So here I am outside getting ready to revive my garland. Now, part of this video is sponsored by Saker, and you will see that I will give you a review of the 3-in-1 mini vac that they have asked that I review and share with you guys. So you'll see that a little bit later on, but for now, let us get this garland. Let's do something with it. We'll see. So what I'm doing, guys, is just using garland to revive my old garland. And the gold ornament garland is some that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And the original price I think was $14.99. And I either got it at either 50 or 60% off, which is not a bad deal either way. And it helps to revive your old, make it new again. And then you get to put your own little spin on it by reviving it, redecorating it, recreating it, whatever you choose to do. But yeah, putting my own spin on this. This is the machine. Number 2 is the floor brush. Number 3 is the stainless steel filter screen. Number 4 is the storage bag. Number 5 is the extraction nozzle. Number 6 is the USB, well actually the USB charging cable is inside. Then there is a short blowing nozzle, which is number 7 here. Then it has a long flat suction nozzle, which is what I have here. Pipe blowing round brush, which is here. And then a long blowing pipe, which is this one here. Several different attachments for whatever your need may be. And again, guys, this is the review of the 3-in-1 vac by Saker. Comes also with the instruction manual, USB charging cable, and I actually charged this 24 hours before I used it, and I charged it on Monday. Today is Thursday, and I am still using it. Even though I did light cleanup, it wasn't a constant usage. But you can also use this to blow up a mattress, clean out your computer, dust blowing your computer, your barbecue, charcoal grill, your fire, balloon blowing, etc. with the longer nozzle here. And I have just really enjoyed using it. If you are a mom and have kids in the car with car seats, this will be perfect. The suction is amazing. I don't know if you guys saw me blow my hair, but that back blowing is almost like a blow dryer. So this is a really nice piece of equipment. If I was looking for something like this, I would definitely buy it. It's small, it's compact, it has the bag, and it has several different attachments. Please go over and check this out at Saker. Their description will be in my description box below. Again, I'm your host here, Gigi Faison. Guys, thank you so much for checking into my channel. Hope you have enjoyed me sharing with you how I refurbished another wreath, or actually a garland. So if you're new to my channel, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you that continue to show me love and support, I take this time to say thanks. Be blessed, take care, happy holidays, and see you on the next video. So guys, in closing, a special thanks to Saker for reaching out to me and asking that I give this review. You can find this little mini vac on Amazon. It is the 3-in-1 mini vac by Saker. What do I think of it? I think it is an amazing little instrument. You saw me out on my deck cleaning off my porch. Now you see me here cleaning my floor. It has done an amazing job. The suction is wonderful. The fan is amazing. And ladies, if we're having a little heat, a little private summer while we are trying to vacuum, it's perfect for that. The little blower fan. It also has many different nozzles and tools to use to blow up maybe a blow up mattress, to use it in your bathroom, to clean out your car seat, your car. It's just a perfect compact tool to clean up a big mess. Let me know what you think of this video by leaving me a comment in the comment section. Again, if you're new and you like what you have seen, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and be a member to this family by hitting that subscribe button and making sure you tap the notification bell twice so you're always being notified of any and all videos created here. And when I say the fan is amazing, do you see how the plant is being blown? Well, that's by the fan from this little mini vac.